Hello and welcome back. In this video, we will look at how to sign up with Canva and start our basic designing. So first go on to www.canva.com. You'll be presented with this screen. So if you're not comfortable with English, you can go down here and change your language. There are a lot of languages which Canva supports, but I'm sticking here with English. That's left to you. So and now click on one of these. It doesn't really matter. I'll just click personal home. You can sign up with Facebook or Google, but I'll sign up with my email. So let me enter my details here. Click sign up. Ta-da, you're done. So if you want, you can click one of these: graphic designs, e-commerce, but I'll just click on none of the above applies to me. And they ask you to invite more people, but that's left to you. I'm skipping inviting team members, and I want to create. You can click on any one of these, but I'll just go with more design types. And this is the home screen of Canva. This is the screen that you'll usually see when you're on Canva. Alright, so in the next video we'll start designing one poster, and we'll learn all the things that you need to know in the Canvas dashboard. This is the dashboard. This moment. And this is the dashboard. So we will learn what all these mean, etc. Alright, see you in the next video.